Hi everyone, this is GTEXCEL and I hope you guys are having an amazing time. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you simple steps on how to use VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Alright, HLOOKUP is only compatible with Office 365. Alright, in case you have a lower version of Microsoft Excel, you are good to go with VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP. So please join me as I hit the screen. As you can see, this is Excel home screen. All right, these are called templates in case you are new here, and below this template we have files, but in today's tutorial we are going to use a particular one, which is this first one. I'll just go ahead and click. Here we are on Excel environment. This is how it looks like. All right, if you look closely, you will see I've come up with a template in form of table, though it is not officially a table. And at the top of this template we have sales report, followed by company's name, product, price, and manager's name. At the right hand side of this table we have a little table there, contains some information. All right, and at the top of this table we have V equals to vertical lookup, which simply means VLOOKUP means vertical lookup. So before I go fully into today's tutorial, I just want to give you a short definition of VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP simply means function that help to search or find a certain value or data in a table. If you are being asked to pick a particular value from this template, all you need to do is to make use of either VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, or XLOOKUP. When you are working or using VLOOKUP function, please don't make the mistake of starting from right to left. It doesn't work that way. VLOOKUP only support working from left to right. All right, so I'll go to this little table I have created and click. First function here is that we are looking for company's name. And how do we go about that? I'm going to locate data tab. All right, and we have data tools here. Okay, under the data tools, which is our ribbon, locate data validation. There is a dialog box that has popped up. All right, and inside this box there are also boxes, okay, in form of rectangular shape. The first one says any value, so we're going to click the arrow pointing down, okay, to give us more option. As you can see, there is an option locate list, and click. Then go straight to the box that contains source. Click on it. What is our source? Our source is the company's name. That's the first function we are looking for. So I'll go ahead and click. All right, press your Ctrl plus Shift plus arrow down key on your keyboard. You can see I've automatically highlight the column. All I need to do is just click OK on your keyboard or use your mouse to click OK. Then we are done. This cell is still empty, but at the right hand side of this cell there is a little dialog box. All right, I'll go ahead and click because I want to show you something. This is what we just did right now. These are all the company's name. All right, all we need to do whenever you need any company's name, just click the company's name and it will automatically appear on the cell. But I'm going to click out right now because we don't need them for now. All right, so what is our next function? Is the product. All we need to do is to click here. V function comes in, so we'll start by typing equal sign VLOOKUP. Okay, you can see it has popped up. I'll go ahead and double click. Here we have a command which says lookup value, table array, color index number, and so on and so forth. So this is guideline, or rather is a form of a guideline that tells us or shows us what we need to impute in order for us to get our answer. Okay, so I'll go ahead right now and begin to impute this value. First, what is our lookup value? Our lookup value is this empty cell. I'll click now, followed by semicolon. The next step here is table array. And what is our table array? Our table array simply means this template. So I'll click. I'm going to use shortcut in order to make it snappy, and the shortcut is Control plus Shift plus right arrow key on my keyboard. First, you need to click, right, then Control plus Shift plus arrow key. I've highlighted this row. Don't forget we are going to highlight all the table. So let's use our shortcut as well, but this time it will be down arrow key. All right, that's it. Now followed by semicolon. The next in line is color index number. Now, what is our color index number? Our color index number simply means what position does product fall into. Our products fall into column number 2, because when you start counting this company's name, that's number 1 column. Number 2 column is product. So we go ahead and what? Impute 2 followed by semicolon. After this semicolon, there is an option that popped up, okay, below the VLOOKUP command, all right, which says true and false. True simply means approximate match. False means exact match. I will advise you use false. So I'll go ahead and click, close your parentheses, and hit enter key. As you can see, it's giving us error, which is NA. All right, and this value here means not available or not accessible. All right, the reason is that we have not imputed any name here, and for us to impute any name here, all we need to do is just to click on this dialog box and click on any company. Right now is price, and we're going to use same formula to determine the price. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click equal sign VLOOKUP. So it has popped up. Double click. Okay, what is our lookup value? Our lookup value is say G2 followed by semicolon. Now what is our table array? Table array is this. Let me use mouse to highlight it so that you don't get confused. Okay, the table array followed by semicolon. Now what is color index number? Like I said, our color index number means what position does price fall into. The first one was 2, which is product, column 2 rather. Why this price falls under column number 3. Now let's count. This is column number 1, column number 2, and column number 3. So we'll go ahead and impute 3 followed by semicolon. Then this option has popped up again, so I'll go ahead and double click false, close your parentheses and hit enter key. Please, if you love this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss out whenever I drop a video. All right, and also please give us a thumbs up just to encourage this video and also encourage me as a person. So without delay, please let's just complete this last session. All right, manager's name. So how do we do that? We're going to use same formula. Okay, equal sign VLOOKUP. Okay, that's popped up. Then we'll go straight to lookup value followed by semicolon, table array, followed by semicolon. Don't get confused, please. I use shortcut there. All right. Now we have what number does manager's column fall into? It falls under number 4. So I'll go ahead and impute 4. All right. Semicolon. Then click on false. Double click. Close your parentheses and hit enter key. This means the person that manage GTEXCEL is Mr. John, or John rather. Okay, So now let's click on this company's name. You can see the dialog box has appeared. So let's pick another company. As you can see, it has changed. This company is Ito Communication. The price is 800. So let's try another company. All right. Ludia. Ludia is Ito Computer and the price is 12 and the manager's name is Mars. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so that you will be the first person to be notified, because I don't want you to miss out on every video, or rather any video. Okay, and give us a thumbs up just to encourage this video and also encourage me as a person. All right, so we are through with VLOOKUP. This is how it works. So right now let's go straight to HLOOKUP, and this is it here. So as you can see, this template and the previous one, they are the same thing. Okay, and at the side we have a little table as well, and at the top of this little table we have H equals to horizontal lookup. Okay, so for us to get that, all we need to do is just to click, because this is where our table starts from. Then highlight, right click, then copy. So I'll click here, right click. As you can see, we have paste option, and under this paste option we have paste special. So I'll go ahead and click. You can see a dialog box has popped up. Under this dialog box we have what is called transpose. Click on this little dialog box, then hit your enter key or use your mouse to click OK. You can see we have successfully changed this vertical table to horizontal table. Please, if you love this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button, because I wouldn't want you to miss out from any video that will be coming from me. Okay, and please give us a thumbs up just to encourage this video and also encourage me as a person. All right, we need to arrange all the words, because you can see some words are running into other cells. Okay, all we need to do is just to go at the top of your sheet, click, then between columns. Once your mouse change to plus, then double click. You can see it has resized itself. Then click out. Now what are we looking for? We are looking for HLOOKUP. So we'll go straight to our little table here, because I don't want to type. All I need to do now is to copy and paste. Click. Okay. That's it. We have copied and we have pasted it here. But there's a little difference here. The difference is that here we have company's name. So all we need to do is just to click, copy, then come here, then paste. Okay. Here we have customer in place of manager, but that's not what we need. All we need is manager's name. So I'll click now, copy, then allocate, paste. You can see we are through with this. So our first function here is to look for the company's name. And how do we do that? Please, all what we are going to do here is there's no difference between this and VLOOKUP. The only difference here is that HLOOKUP come in form of horizontal form, okay, while VLOOKUP come in form of vertical form. All right, that's just the difference. So I'll go to data tab. All right, then click on data validation. This is the dialog box that has popped up. Inside the dialog box there are also boxes inside. Just click on the option and click on list, locate your source, click, and go straight to company's name. Now what do we have? We have sharing as number one. Then use your shortcut. Okay, then hit enter key. Right, this is it here. Okay, let me click on this dialog so that you see what I I just did. These are the company's name. Okay, so I'll click out. Now we have products. All we need to do is equal sign HLOOKUP that's popped up, then double click. So what's our lookup value? Our lookup value is this empty cells, all right, followed by semicolon. What's our table array? Our table array is the whole table. Don't forget that, all right. I'm going to use shortcut all through just to make it snappy, all right, followed by semicolon. What's our row index number? Please don't be confused. The first function we did was what is our column index number, because we are making use of VLOOKUP. But this time we are making use of HLOOKUP. Instead of column index number, is asking for row index number. So what's our row index number? Our row index number is 2, because after company's name, product. So we go ahead and input 2, followed by semicolon. All right, here is an option that has popped up which says true and false. True is equal to approximate match, false is equal to exact match. So I'll go ahead with false. Double click, then close your parentheses and hit enter key. So we have NA. NA simply means not available or not accessible. The reason is that we have not input any value here. So I'll click now, locate the dialog box by the right hand side and click. You can see we have education. All right, that means GTEXCEL company rather is into education. Now let's go straight to price. Equal sign HLOOKUP, double click, then lookup value. What's our lookup value? This is our lookup value, followed by semicolon, table array, followed by semicolon. All right, row index number. What's our row index number? Now we are looking for price. That means our row index number is 3. 1, 2, 3. So go ahead and type 3, followed by semicolon. What is our next value, which is false? Don't forget. All right, double click, close your parentheses and hit enter key. So it's 200. Now what is the manager's name? I mean the person managing this GTEXCEL company. Okay, and apply the same function, equal sign HLOOKUP, then double click, followed by semicolon. This time I'm going to highlight with my mouse so that you will get it. All right, followed by semicolon. All right, then we have row index number. What's our row index number? That should be number 4. Okay, number 4, because we are looking for manager's name. Okay, so we'll go ahead and input 4, followed by semicolon. Now click on false, double click, close your parentheses and hit enter key. So we have John managing GTEXCEL company and they are into education. Now let's look for another company that we can input here. Okay, let's look for what. Let's pick Wallace. So we have Wallace. Wallace is into communication. Price is 800 and Mr. Mark is the one managing the company. Let's pick another one. Let's pick Kosharis. Kosharis is into automobile. Okay, and the person that is managing this company is called Young. All right, please, if you love this video, kindly subscribe, okay, and turn on the notification button, because I wouldn't want you to miss out from any video that will be coming from me. All right, and please give us a thumbs up just to encourage this video and also encourage me as a person. All right, and please, if you have any comment at all, please just kindly drop that comment section and I will definitely get back to you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.